sure, you can improve on-page SEO, as I understand, but link building actually something you need to invest into in order to proceed. Is that correct?
Yeah. So, for example, the SEO is not free, of course. It takes some time because you have it takes some time and, of course, resources, money. It's something that you need to. It's the whole process. So you need to technically do stuff on your website. So you need to have developers or good someone with a good technical SEO knowledge to do stuff on your website. There are also like you need good content. Usually people hire writers. You need to have really good content. It's the content is king, like they say. So you need to also invest money into that. That's the reason why we have like so many SEO agencies doing their job, and they are, I can say, quite expensive. But I think for smaller business they might be a good for a start, because with it I love to say it all depends like in which niche you are, what are your goals actually. I'm not saying that the PPC stuff is something you shouldn't do if you have a small business, but I think that it's the cost per click is really in some niches is quite high, and yeah, I think it's definitely it costs.